How's it going, everybody? This is another build that I'm working on. This is the Elven Waterfall. Included a lot of Harry Potter pieces in this one. The front gate, I have a few statues, a couple guards, main entrance. Try to use a lot of green to add into the landscape this time. It's the first time I've actually tried to build a lot onto the landscape. Turned out alright, I think. Have the centaurs chilling there, guarding. On the other side, got more foliage, some mushrooms. Of course, I got a couple ranger archers chilling over here, conveniently underneath a apple orchard. They also have some mushrooms to pick in case they get hungry while out in the field. This structure still dwells in the Lion Kingdom, so I just added a few more of those. And probably try to build a second level, not sure yet. That would be a balcony. Still need to add some more pieces, but working on the side architecture, and of course I used some of the Harry Potter sets, so I left that incorporated. And switching to the back. The first room would be the throne room, which I still have to add to the actual throne, but I have the harp from the Harry Potter set and a little fireplace in the back, and I'm not sure if I'll put a second floor in or not. We'll find out. Got the trophy case from the Harry Potter set once again. Just decided to throw a lot of the random sets like completed in there. Over here is the armory. Gate to get in, and a door which leads to the hidden cellar, where I incorporated the Barrel Lego set from Lord of the Rings Hobbit series. So we got the whole full wine cellar underneath the waterfall. More of an armory to the side. Got King Thranduil just chilling there, enjoying his day. And not exactly sure how much farther I'm going to go with the build. I'll probably build a second level, but I might just throw roofs in there instead and just make it those two levels, but we'll see.